My name is S. Saravanan Yogesh. I am studying in Mahatma Montessori School. My guide teacher is Mrs. Pushpalata. Today I am here to show you about piezoelectric material. Piezo, the word piezo is derived from Greek word which means to squeeze or press. Yeah, if we give any pressure to that material, the mechanical energy will be converted into electrical energy. For example, consider this as a piezo material without a charge. With charge, positive, negative, positive will be arranged in piezo material. If we give any disturbance to that material, the positive will travel to one side and the negative will travel to one side, and if we wire it, we can get an electrical energy. For example, this is an piezo material which I have placed and I didn't even connect it to a battery or anything. If I give one pressure, it is able to glow 1.5 volt of bulb. So this material is just a simple material to glow a 1.5 volt of battery, and this is my large demonstration process. Consider this as a road, and vehicles and the humans are traveling in the roads, and during the speed breaker time there will be more pressure will be given to road, and if you see clearly in below the roads I will fit piezo material, 2 in series connection and 2 in parallel connection. Like same this material I am placing it in these boxes, and each box will contain 3 piezo material, which means 3 in parallel and 3 in series, totally 3 into 4 piezo materials I have been placed, and the vehicles are traveling in it, and during the speed breaker more pressure will be given to the piezo material, and through indicator I will save it in a battery, and during night time same road I will be able to glow with street lights. And many will say that we can use solar material instead of piezo material. For how many days we can use solar material? We should have any change or everything, and solar even needs any current, any heat energy from sun to glow the lights, but it does not need anything. Our mechanical energy is needed to glow lights through piezo material. And if you see the advantages, there are so many advantages. People, while they are walking in the roads, if we are fitting it in, we can get so many volts of current, and power generation will be more in doing exercise and dancing. And fact is that in 2010 Olympics, the athlete practicing zone was fitted with piezo material, and they were produced by the same current which they have wasted through mechanical energy. Okay, I am saying that in India we have totally supplied through piezo material. Our country will be a piezo material country, because many countries are nowadays trying to fit piezoelectric material, because people are not nowadays preferring about nuclear energy, hydel energy, thermal energy, etc. So people are now preferring only non-conventional source of energy such as piezo material, solar energy. If we fit piezo material, it will be very useful, and it will be make India a free current country, because once it is fitted, it can produce so many times of current without maintaining it. So I will say that if India is fitted with piezo material, we can able to success the whole world. We can able to produce current with piezoelectric material. And another one thing is, if we fit in malls, theaters and etc., we can able to get so many high voltage, because 34,000 travelers are traveling in a railway station. For example, we can able to glow 64,000 bulbs. So for that, I am saying that the piezo material is very important than any other conventional sources. Thank you.